Good morning, Fitchburg. We're up here on Rollstone Hill. We're going to be firing our Civil War cannon, and we're wishing everyone in the city of Fitchburg and in the United States of America a happy 4th of July. It's a great day for our country, great day for the city of Fitchburg. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning.
Happy 4th.
All right.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th of July, Fitchburg.
You got this. Nice job. Best pull all morning, right there.
Happy 4th, Fitchburg.
Good morning.